things around here that it could have been, and we didn't know how many cars were involved or how big it was. So just started coming over here to take a look. Once it started to see what it was, yeah, my heart sank. These slide paths don't have a history of hitting the highway. We don't have any records of these avalanche pads hitting the highway. Certainly you can look at them and think about some extreme event.
Like today.
But in the records that we have, which go back before CDOT to the state highway department into some of the mining days, we don't have records of it reaching this road.